Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can add audio player to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is audio player. So let's go to the right corner, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. And when you're gonna have it, click login. Then you're going to be here in applications, and in search you just want to simply write audio, and here you're going to have audio player. So let's create a widget, and now what you can do is to choose between multiple templates like meditation, ambience, audiobook, or music playlist, or the cheer sound. I'm going to choose the music playlist, continue with the template. Now you just want to upload the songs here and your tracks files for every single song. You can also add buttons. Then you can layout here, you can add floating or amped, position, top right, bottom center, whatever. Player, you can get rid of image, you can add repeat, and you can change the style, colors, and everything. Now what you got, when you got it, click top right corner, save, and after that you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And right here, you just want to simply click plus and just search content box, write code, and paste the code here. And now look at this. It's going to show normally when you're gonna do it. Look, preview how beautiful it is, and people can listen to music while they are surfing your Squarespace website. And this is how you can add audio player to Squarespace website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah. So goodbye.